Hi there, it's Miss Heather here, and today on Feather Nest Cottage, we're not in the cottage at all. In fact, we're at an apple orchard. Today, we're going to pick the apples, take them home, and make our own applesauce. Get ready to roll up those sleeves, because we're going to learn something from long ago.
Here is an apple tree. It has a trunk, which is very bumpy and shiny. The branches have smaller twigs, and on each end is a bud. Right now, it's the autumn, so the buds are all resting, and they will rest all winter long. But in the spring, the buds will open and grow into apple blossoms. Bees will eat the nectar in the apple blossoms. Then, each bee will go from flower to flower. A fairy's true power. When they do this, they help to pollinate. Hey, can you say that word with me? Pollinate. Let's say it one more time. Pollinate. That's right. The flower is now pollinated when the bee goes from one flower to another. And this sends a message to the flower. And it says, grow into a fruit. And in this case, the apple blossom will grow into an apple. And this is how apples are able to grow, from the flower. Well, now that I have picked enough, let's drive back to Feather Nest Cottage so we can make the applesauce. Hip hip hooray, friends, we are now here, and it is time to make the applesauce. So just sit back and relax, friends, because it's time for me to show you how it's done. Let's make the applesauce together. To make it fun, I made it into a song for you. First, you take the apples and you peel them. You peel them. Then you take the lemons and you squish them. You squish them. Then you take the sugar and you pour it. You pour it. Cinnamon, cinnamon, and salt too. For your applesauce, delicious. Your applesauce is delicious, delicious, ooh, ooh. Then you take the apples and you chop them. You chop them. Then you boil the apples and you squish them. You squish them. Then you take the sauce and you can some. You can some. For your applesauce, delicious. Your applesauce is delicious, delicious, ooh, ooh. So now you have some sauce for winter, winter. Now you have some sauce for winter, winter. Now you have some sauce all of winter, 'cause you canned it. The recipe is below, and I hope you get to make some sauce soon with your mom, your dad, your teacher, or your caregiver. Hey friends, did you want to draw a picture like me of apples or an apple tree? If you want to, you should. And you can even send me a picture to the email in the comments with an adult's help. And parents, don't forget to like and comment. Please ask me any questions that you might have, and I shall answer. I am happy to help. And do click the notification bell so you don't miss any new lessons.
Thanks for coming to learn with me today. And as always, remember, be you. Live what you love and love what you live. Remember, you're amazing. Yes, you, just the way you are.
It's Miss Heather signing off. Thanks for coming again, and I hope to see you next time. Bye, friends.